Hey everyone, welcome to HVAC Official Channel, your HVAC learning zone. Today's video is crucial for your health and comfort. We're diving into indoor air quality and HVAC, what you should know. Indoor air quality refers to the air inside your home or building, how clean, safe, and breathable it is. Poor air quality can cause allergies, asthma, and fatigue. That's why it's vital to understand how HVAC systems play a big role. HVAC systems pull in air and circulate it. If your filters are dirty or low quality, they won't trap dust, pollen, or bacteria. Your HVAC also controls moisture levels. Too much humidity can lead to mold. Too little can dry out your skin and throat. Without proper ventilation, indoor air becomes stale and filled with pollutants. Fresh air exchange is key. Change air filters every 1-3 months. Use high-efficiency HEPA or MERV-rated filters. Keep HVAC ducts clean and maintained. Install a dehumidifier or humidifier, depending on your climate. Consider UV lights or air purifiers in the duct system. Ensure proper ventilation in kitchens and bathrooms. If ignored, poor air quality can lead to headaches, fatigue, allergy symptoms, long-term respiratory issues, and higher energy bills due to system strain. That's why maintaining your HVAC system is about more than comfort, it's about health. So now you know how HVAC impacts indoor air quality and how to improve it easily. Take action and breathe cleaner, healthier air. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more HVAC tips, and share with your friends or customers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.